सब्सक्राइब कीजिए नेहरा क्लासेस यूट्यूब चैनल को और बेल आइकन को दबाइए लेटेस्ट टेक्नोलॉजी और एजुकेशनल वीडियोस सबसे पहले देखने के लिए। हेलो एवरीवन, once again welcome back to our Nehra classes YouTube channel, and I am back with a brand new video on the special request of many people in our Telegram channel. On the special request, I am going to show you how can you install and configure Pro FTPd in Red Hat Enterprise Linux 7 or on CentOS 7 based machines. But before that, let me give you the brief idea about Pro FTPd. Actually, Pro FTPd is an FTP server, and it is a free open source software that is compatible with Unix-like systems and Microsoft Windows. Along with vsftpd and Pure-FTPd, Pro FTPd is amongst the most popular FTP server in Unix-like environments today. Compared to these, it focuses on simplicity, speed, security, and the primary goal is to be a highly feature-rich FTP server, exposing a large amount of configuration options to the user. So basically, it is an FTP server, and in today's tutorial I will show you the method in which how will you configure it on CentOS 7 or on RHEL 7 machines. So for today's tutorial I am using this RHEL 7 machine, and the IP address of my machine is going to be 192.168.1.108. So on this machine I will configure this server, and after that I will show you how does it work. So without wasting our precious time, let's get started. To configure the Pro FTPd in your RHEL 7 machine, you must log in the machine as the root user, and after that you have to configure the EPEL repository in your machine first. In order to configure the EPEL repository, you can follow these commands. Download the RPM file from the internet and install it by using the yum install command, which will create a repo file in your machine. Or else you can watch my videos on EPEL repository configuration on RHEL 7. I will provide you the link in the description of the video as well as in the I button. I have already configured the EPEL repository in my machine. After configuring the EPEL repository, you need to set the host name in your machine. So set the desired host name. In my case, I have already set the host name as rhl7.nehraclasses.local. So to set the host name, you can run this hostnamectl set-hostname command, and after that you have to make an entry in the etc hosts file if there is no DNS present in your local area network. So here I have already made an entry for my IP address. The IP address of my machine is 192.168.1.108. So I have already made an entry for this. Now in the next step, what needs to be done? We need to install the Pro FTPD and Pro FTPD-utils packages in our machine. So for that, we can simply run yum install Pro FTPD and Pro FTPD-utils command. So I have already installed these packages, that is why it is showing these packages as already installed. Now in the next step, we will start the Pro FTPD service in the system. Systemctl start Pro FTPD and systemctl enable Pro FTPD to set it at the boot time. Now we can verify the status of Pro FTPD by using the systemctl status command. Service is up and running fine. Now we can proceed further. In the next step, we will add the FTP service in the firewall. I have already added it, that is why it will show this service as already added. And after that we can reload the firewall so that the updated rule can get implemented in the machine. Firewall -cmd -reload command we are going to use for this, which will reload the firewall. Now either we can use any user credentials for this Pro FTPD, or we can add a new user in the system, user add FTP user. I'm going to add a new user as FTP user, and then we will define the password for this FTP user in the system. So we have added an user account in the machine. Now we need to go to the web browser, and there we can mention FTP colon / and the IP address of your machine, that is 192.168.1.108 in my case. Now the system will prompt you for the username and password. So here you can mention the username of the user which have you added in the machine just now, and provide the same password which have you set, and click on OK. So this will take you to the index page of FTP. So in this way you can easily configure the Pro FTPD server in your RHEL 7 or on CentOS 7 based machines. So guys, I hope that you would have enjoyed the video. Please do share it with your friends. Do like the video if you like my hard work, and if you are new on our channel, then please subscribe us and turn on the bell notification for the latest updates. I will keep providing you more videos on these topics, and I will see you in any other session. Till then, bye bye, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram, take care.